In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump straight into it. There are 3 easy methods to add images in Figma, and the first one is the fastest, drag and drop. To start, open your Figma file where you want to add your image. Next, locate the folder on your computer that contains the image you'd like to use. Now, simply drag that image directly into the Figma canvas. And just like that, you're done. You can now resize, move, or crop the image to fit your needs. It's super quick and straightforward. Now, if you're looking for another method, let's explore the Place Image option. First, ensure you have your Figma file open. Then navigate to the top toolbar and click on Resources, then File, and finally select Place Image. If you prefer a quicker way, use the shortcut. For Windows, it's Shift plus Control plus K, and for Mac, it's Shift plus Command plus K. After you do that, a window will pop up where you can select the image from your computer. Once you've found your image, click Open. Now you can either click anywhere on the canvas to place your image, or you can click and drag on the canvas to set a custom size for it. It gives you a bit more control over how your image looks right from the start. The third method involves adding an image inside a shape, which can be really cool for creating custom designs. Begin by creating any shape you like. This could be a rectangle, a circle, a heart, anything you can think of. After you have your shape ready, select it. Now, look to the right side of your screen and find the Fill section in the right sidebar. Click on the color box, and you'll see an option to change from solid to image. Select that option, and then you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Click on that and select your desired image. And just like that, your image will appear inside the shape you created. It's a fun way to make your images fit seamlessly into your designs. Now let's talk about image cropping in Figma. This is really useful when you want to adjust how your image looks within a specific area. To crop an image, simply double-click on it. After you double-click, you'll see options for crop, fill, and fit. You can choose the one that works best for your needs. Adjust the position of your image as you see fit, and don't forget to press Enter once you're satisfied with how it looks. Finally, I wanted to share a couple of useful shortcuts to make your workflow smoother. To place an image, remember the shortcut, Shift plus Control or Command plus K. If you need to crop an image, just double-click it. And if you're looking to scale an image proportionally, just hold down the Shift key as you resize. So there you have it. 3 easy methods to add images in Figma, along with some handy tips for cropping and resizing. I hope this helps you enhance your design projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!